Hey guys, and what's up TFS? It's your girl Funsize, and we're back with another fun creation. In today's video, I have an awesome content creator that you guys may or may not already know. We have with us today
Diamond Creator.
Dom the Creator. So, guys, we're actually going to be tuning into a fun topic that I have been waiting to discuss with you guys, and I'm going to be going over 3 fun tips and tricks that you can use when you're recording. Do's and don'ts, more so we can say. 3 do's and don'ts when recording. Let's jump into this. Number 3, be sure to clean your lens. Okay? Clean your lens. Babe, why should you clean your lens?
Well, because one, the picture won't be clear. You see this? Wow. If the lens was dirty, you wouldn't get to see all this goodness. Just saying. So you gotta definitely make sure you wipe that good boy right off, so you can get a clear pic or shot. One of the two.
That's how you talk.
I talk like this.
You get on video and be like,
shut up, babe. Don't you judge me. Shut up. I just talk.
And she not single. You heard her say babe.
Wow. I felt it coming.
You're so dumb. I love you. Number 2, be sure to clean your background. Babe, why should we clean our background? I'm good for this. I started off with crappy backgrounds. If you've been following me, you know.
I mean, think about it. If you sitting here recording and a pair of your panties just happen to be in the back, hanging, you're not really going to pay that much attention to what I'm talking about. You're going to be looking at the background. Am I right or am I right? So you definitely want to make sure you got a clean background. I don't know, put some pictures back there. You can put something nice that relates to what you're talking about. You can switch it up. You can be outside, nature scene, anything. But have a good background.
That's the safe version for our content creators, but for those who are following my sex worker gang, y'all already know. Clean your background, sis, because at the end of the day, I don't want to be looking at little T-Roy toys sitting over there on the floor, and we trying to figure out if you over there doing a busted challenge or you actually falling on top of a damn Lego. Clean the background, all right? I'm trying to focus on you, not everything else. Now, moving on. Number 3, not last but least. Well, it is last, right? What's it saying?
Let me see. It's not
Least
last but not least. But I think it's 3, 2, 1. So 1 is at 1 right now.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, you did 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I did. Yeah, number 3. We're on number 3.
Yeah, but you said you started with 3, and he said 2, and he said 1.
Oh, I'm cracking up. I don't even care. The last one. The last one, okay? Last but not. There we go. That's all I was asking.
That's all she wanted.
Last but not least, TFS, my final tip and trick is project your voice. Project. You use your outside voice when you're recording, okay? And a little bonus for you guys, if you are not comfortable with recording in front of people, use your closet. That's a little fun trick that I've also learned recently with doing my voiceovers, especially if y'all watch previous videos. I told y'all my alarm goes off, so it's very annoying. However, as a bonus, just record inside of your closet when you do your voiceovers, and it will actually give the noise that your clothes will capture. You'll see how it go. When I get the words together, you'll understand what I'm saying. Just go in the closet, do a recording, listen to it, and then see how the difference is between that voice projection and a regular voice projection when you're just in an open room. Now, I'm not going to talk your head off too much, even though we probably already did that.
Well, you'll love it.
How I end all my videos, guys, be sure to learn to love yourself before trying to love someone else. Mwah.
Wow.
Hey guys, and what? Wait. 3, 2, 1, because you said. Don't do that. Don't, put the